Hello, how do I handle drawdowns without panic selling? Well, I do that by swing trading growth stocks and currently large cap growth stocks. Let's take an example of RS as of July 13, 2026. Okay, so when I'm looking at RS here, I purchased it already. I purchased it around this support line. So when I'm saying I like to trade growth stocks, I know that when they goes down, they'll go back up at some point. So for that reason, I don't panic to sell it at a loss. I don't set stop loss, but that is my preference. So using long uptrend lines, we have the date on the x-axis from the past to the present and the price on the y-axis from $0 up. Using long uptrend line, and this one, the support line that I'm trading on, I'm buying on, is longer than 5 years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, almost 6 years. And I noticed that it's passing by the higher low of the chart, and the chart is now really going down, for the past, below that line, for the past 5 years or so. And I consider, but it's touching base with it and then going back up and making higher lows. I consider that to be the support line that it's most likely to touch base with. And this one will be less likely. So I swing trade, I avoid panic selling, when stock is going down, by trading on an oblique support line passing by the higher low of the chart. So when I go back to my daily chart, this is a monthly one, maximum daily chart. I purchased it around this support line here. And you notice that it went up, reached all-time highest price here, pull back down, and chances are I will be negative here when it came back down to this area because I purchased it here, and corresponding price to where I am could be a little bit lower than this, but then it start going up from there and reach another all-time highest price, and I sold it. It pulled back a little bit, went up again for few more all-time highest price, and then I'll start pulling back. So I don't know if it's done, but I lock in this profit here, and you'll notice that when it went up and pulled back down, I didn't sell it. I just let it be because I know that this is just a short term for that to be done, and it could continue climbing up for a while. So I could well have sold it here, but I didn't. So when it pulled back here, I just let it be, and it went back up again. And around this point, I sold it, and like buying it around 288 and selling it around 372 is almost like a little bit less than $100 a profit per share. But then it pulled back a little bit and went even higher up again before now it start going down. So that is what I try to do to and not to sell it at a loss, but just wait on it, because I know that at some point they'll go back up, and I can learn from that experience and know where I should buy next time. So what do you do in when your stocks that you purchase are going down? What do you do to avoid selling it? Selling it out of panic? Thank you so much for your time. We thank you very much for watching our videos. Thank you for all your comments, and we thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. I'm Afiavi, and on our channel we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence. And swing trading could allow you to create another stream of income. Just start slowly, and surely you'll get there. As a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a professional trader either. I just swing trade in my husband and I a brokerage account, and I like to share what I'm learning, what is working for us, what is not working, so that if you find some tips useful, you can customize them to fit your personality type, your risk tolerance, and use them in your financial success journey. Will you please proceed with caution? For more videos in this series, will you please check the playlist How to Start Swing Trading Step by Step using long uptrend lines in the description of this video. And this video is brought to you by our online store Liberman.com, where we sell pouches, cloth napkins, and tote bags. Thank you so much for your time. Happy swing trading.